All right, so what I want to do here is I'm going to switch back to my other project. Here, this was the one from the previous video where I was doing the manual setup. So the reason I'm going to go back to collecting my data is I don't have to do this twice. I'm going to change my project back to the one that I did through Works Manager. And the reason for this is later on, after I collect this data, I'm going to synchronize this project back to Works Manager and be able to download the work order in the Business Center. If I stayed in the manual project that we have, that project, because we created it locally on Siteworks, does not exist in Works Manager, and therefore we can't automatically sync it back up. So that project won't sync back to Works Manager. Only projects created in Works Manager synced down to Siteworks. You can then sync the field data back up to Works Manager. So I want to point that out because it's gonna play in later on as I synchronize this back to Works Manager. So I'm just gonna change my project back to this one. If you don't have Works Manager for this course, stay in the manual mode, that's fine, because we're also going to show you how to manually get the work order off your controller and bring that work order into Business Center manually. So kind of want to show you both workflows at the same time. So now that we're in this as-built demo, which is the one that's going to sync to Works Manager, I'm going to start collecting data.